Welcome back to Hindi class. Almost all the letters we have covered in the syllabus. Now once we will revise what we have completed. Okay children? That is, open your textbook page number 3. A से अनार, A से अनार, A से आम, A से आम, I से इमली, I से इमली, I से ईख, I से ईख, U से उल्लू, U से उल्लू, U से ऊन, U से ऊन, ऋ से ऋषि, ऋ से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ए से एड़ी, आई से ऐनक, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओकली, ओ से ओकली, औ से औरत, औ से औरस, अम से अंगूर, अम से अंगूर, aha. Okay children, aha. What are these letters called? Are to aha swar letters. What are these letters? Swar letters. Now come to vowel letters. Kh से खलम, ख से खलम, ख से खरगोश, क से खरगोश, ग से गणेश, ग से गणेश, घ से घड़ी, घ से घड़ी, घ से घड़ी, इनी, छ से चम्मच, छ से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, छ से छतरी, जा से जहाज, जा से जहाज, जा से झंडा, जा से झंडा, इन्या, ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टमाटर, ठ से टटेरा, ट से टटेरा, ढ से ढमरू, ढ से ढमरू, ड से डपली, ड से डपली, अना से बाण. Okay children? Now थ से तबला, थ से तबला, थ से तरमस, थ से तरमस, द से दवात, द से दवात, द से धनुष, द से धनुष, मा से ना से नल. ओके चिल्ड्रन? फ से पतंग, फ से पतंग, फ से फल, फ से फल, ब से बकरी, ब से बकरी, वा से भालू, वा से भालू, मा से मछली, या से यज्ञ, या से यज्ञ, रा से रक्त, रा से रक्त, ला से लड्डू, ला से लड्डू, वा से वक्क, व से वक्क, श से शल्यम, श से शल्यम, श से षटकोण, श से षटकोण, सा से सब्जी, सा से सब्जी. The last video we have completed sa and ha. Ha से हल, ha से हल, अक्षा से क्षत्रिय. Today we are going to learn this letter children. अक्षा शा से क्षत्रिय, शा से क्षत्रिय. Okay children? त्र से त्रिशूल, त्र से त्रिशूल, ज्ञा से ज्ञानी, ज्ञा से ज्ञानी. Okay children? So these are the letters. So today I am going to show you Sha letter. Okay children? Sha से क्षत्रिय. This is little bit tough children. So practice slowly and more you practice on the slate. Okay children? Okay children, for this letter also I am showing you sand tracing, slate tracing, border tracing, egg tracing. Okay, and with the strokes we will complete the classwork and homework. Okay children, now I will show you sand tracing. Cha se Kshatriya. standing line, little curve, small circle, little curve, and upon that small circle, standing line. Aksha, ksha, what is this children? Sha. Standing line, little curve, up upon that small circle, again little curve, and again small circle, come down, and here sleeping line. Ksha se kshatriya. Standing line, sleeping line circle, and upon small circle, and again here left curve upon small circle, and here standing line, and here sleeping line. Kshatriya. Okay. Standing line, name circle. Standing line, down curve, small circle, and come down here, and here sleeping line. Ksha, sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, small circle, and left curve, and again here line, sleeping line, and upon that sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round circle, left curve, and sleeping line, upon sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, half circle, left curve, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, upon circle, left curve, and again sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. What is this children? Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, circle, left curve, again sleeping line down, and upon sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, left down curve, small circle, left curve, sleeping line, and upon sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, small circle, left curve, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, small circle, and here left curve, and standing line. Sha se kshatriya. Okay children. Standing line, down curve, round circle, left curve, and standing line. Sha se kshatriya. The standing line, down curve, round circle, left curve, standing line, and sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round circle, left curve, standing line, and sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round, and again left curve, and standing line, sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round circle, left, and then standing line, sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round circle, left curve, standing line, sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Practice more times on slate children. Now trace on the letter part. Kshatriya means soldier. So for that no picture. You have a soldier picture. You can color it children. Standing line, down curve, round circle, left, and then straight line. Sleeping line. Sha se kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, standing line and sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. Okay children, now we'll write with the strokes very slowly. Standing line and down curve. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sleeping line. Standing line, down curve, round curve, right, left curve, sleeping line, standing line. Sh says Kshatriya. Standing line, down curve, standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, standing line. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, standing line, sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. What is this children? Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Write it slowly so that it will come good. Nana. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Okay children, last time I will tell you. Standing line, down curve, round curve. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, right. Standing line. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, standing line, sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. What is this children? Sh says Kshatriya. Okay children, take out your workbook page number 55. Page number 55. Okay children, in this also trace on the dotted lines so that it will come very easy. Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, standing line, sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Okay children, Sh says Kshatriya. You can have the picture, Kshatriya picture in your workbook. Sh says Kshatriya. Kshatriya means soldier. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Okay children, Sh says Kshatriya. Is that clear children? We'll write one more line. Sh says Kshatriya. 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 Standing line, down curve, round curve, left curve, standing line, sleeping line. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Sh says Kshatriya. Okay children, so this is about the homework. The remaining part you do as a homework. Children, after so many days I wanted to tell you about oral, vegetables and fruits. Open your textbook page number 27. Already we have completed. Once again I wanted to repeat. Apple, save, watermelon, tarbooj, pomegranate, anar, pomegranate, अनार, mango, आम, mango, आम, banana, केला, banana, केला, अंगूर, grapes, अंगूर, grapes, papaya, पपीता, papaya, पपीता, गोवा, अमृत, गोवा, अमृत, pineapple, ananas, pineapple, ananas. Okay children, this is about the fruits. In Hindi we'll say phal. What will say? Phal. Now come to fool. Fool means flowers. Kamal, lotus, kamal, lotus. Sunflower, surajmukhi, sunflower, surajmukhi. Mogra, mogra. Marigold, gendi, marigold, genda, marigold, genda. Chemeli, jasmine, chemeli, jasmine, chemeli. Rose, gulab, rose, gulab. Okay children, now colors. Yellow, peela, yellow, peela. Red, lal, red, lal. Blue, neela, blue, neela. Black, kala, black, kala. Orange, narangi, orange, narangi. Green, hara, green, hara. Jamuni, pink, violet, jamuni, violet, jamuni. Pink, gulabi, pink, gulabi. Okay children, so this is about the colors, fruits and flowers. Now come to vegetables. Try to draw the easy vegetables children. Okay, that is going to come in the exam. Baigan, brinjal, baigan, brinjal. Carrot, gajar, carrot, gajar. Tomato, 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 tomato. Full gobi, cauliflower, full gobi, cauliflower. Potato, aloo, potato, aloo. Lady finger, bindi, lady finger, bindi. Cabbage, band gobi, cabbage, band gobi. Pumpkin, kaddu, pumpkin, kaddu. Bottle gourd, lauki, bottle gourd, lauki. Okay children, this is about the oral part. Okay children, now we'll write R to Shah in a classwork. A से अनार, A से आम, E से इमली, E से ईख, U से उल्लू, U से ऊन, रू से ऋषि, A से एडी, I से ऐनक, O से ओकली, औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर, आहा. Children, while writing, touch the lines and give finger gap. Now leave one line and go for Vyanjan letters kha. Kha, kha, ga, ga, ini. Now you don't leave line here children because it won't be sufficient. Next line cha varg. Cha, cha, ja, ja, ini. Tha, tha, da, da, ana. Tha, tha, da, da, na. Paffa, babba, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha. Children, we are going to write only sha. Till sha we are going to write. Okay children, so this is about R to sha. Touch the lines and write, children. Then only it will look very neatly. Okay, children. More 2 letters, then we will complete our syllabus. Okay, children. Only 2 letters has remained, that is tra and gya. That will meet in with the next video with the tra and gya letters, children. Okay, children. Bye.